This 5-minute solution will show you how to give access to a Facebook business page. So if you own a Facebook page and you want to give someone access to handle your Facebook page, follow these steps to do it. First of all, open your Facebook page and click on Professional Dashboard. Scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Page Access. And here, you can give someone your Facebook business page access in 3 ways. If you want to add an admin, then you have to click on Add New next to People with Facebook Access. And if you want to add someone to manage your page comments, suspend or remove people, then you have to click on Manage next to Community Managers. But right now, I'm going to clicking on Add New next to People with Task Access. Next. And now, in this box, type here the username or user email address whom you want to give access. And now you can easily give any access to the user. You can give content access, you can give messages and calls access, and you can also give ads access. Now all you have to need is just click on give access. And now you have to verify your Facebook password. So enter here your Facebook password and click on confirm. And then the user will get an invitation from your Facebook business page. After accepting the invitation, they will be able to handle your Facebook page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.